Hey guys, it's Jay. Hopefully everyone is having a good day today. And today's video, I'm going to be doing a video about a car wash where it's brush free. Sounds really cool, especially since I get kind of lazy to wash my car sometimes. And I don't really trust those drive through car washes with the brushes since it does scratch your paint and stuff. And I want to show you the car, how it looks like right now, since it did rain a couple nights ago, sprinkled, so there's a lot of water spots on my vehicle right now. And I want to show you what it looks like before and afterwards, how it comes out. Let me show you guys on another angle. All right guys, as you can see, there's a lot of water spots, especially on my hood, since it did sprinkle a couple nights ago, and the week before that it sprinkled again. So my car is really dirty, and there's a lot of water spots over here. So hopefully that one car drive-through car wash is pretty good. Yeah, wow. So hopefully they say it's good. I read a couple of reviews actually online about it, and it seemed pretty good. All right guys, and let's get started and be on our way.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing. Rage on that beat, going crazy.
All right guys, and now we're back, and let's see. Oh, I already see a lot of watermarks still. Wow, did this even, wow, it got none of the watermarks at all. Wow, that is terrible. Wow, and it created even more watermarks. What about the roof of the car? Yep, there's pretty much the entire car is covered in watermarks. I think it's because it just rinses. Oof. It just rinses the vehicle pretty much. It sprays at it, and to remove these, you actually need to apply some kind of pressure. So you kind of have to hand wash the car. So don't trust this, guys. I highly recommend not to go through these. Pretty much does nothing for your car. Just pretty much removes dirt and leaves a whole bunch of watermarks for you to hand wash your own car yourself later. Just stick to hand washing your car or get a professional to do it. And well, I'm gonna end it at that, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, and let me know, give me some ideas of what you guys want to see. But I will be still doing how-to videos when my parts do come in to modify my car. Well guys, see you in the next vid.